60 seconds with Femi, correct Pidgin yannings now with the do, and yes, UEFA Champions League don't come back after we don't wait for entire. So till we don't nearly they lose weight first, but finally it don't come back UEFA Champions League. And today we'll go see correct game for inside Champions League. Two games we'll go see today. Manchester United, then go there for travel, they play PSG, then Roma, then go play FC Porto. But the correct one is this Manchester United versus PSG game. PSG players, they don't even arrive England since, and then just they like people where they do video for something, they like all this them Davido and Whiskey and Burna Boy, and so they just take a pair fresh stuff. For Manchester United, their own ginger now be said this their manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer since he take over from Jose Mourinho, he never lose any match at all. He just they win all the match when they. Therefore PSG then contact us yesterday say Edinson Cavani no go dey that match because he don't get injury. Name myself no go dey because he get injury. Thomas Meunier no go dey because he get injury. Who you think say go win this one? Who you think say go gbé body for inside this one? Manchester United versus PSG.